Gold and silver traded with modest bearishness throughout the day. We have seen gold moving towards 2850 levels and silver has also moved towards 3180, the critical support levels. And yes, we have discussed this in our first update with the Asia and Europe session that metals are heading towards a little dip, and that is what has happened. So can we say now that the retracement is over? Can we expect a recovery from the current levels? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications, like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. We have lot much of data awaited before the US session, and thus volatility has to be there. You should be trading with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. With that, let's start first gold, followed with silver. Watch. On the hourly charts of gold, look at the movement here. See the drop here towards 20 period retracement, again the drop towards 50 period retracement. What it is doing, it is trying to create a bearish channel here with lower lows and lower highs. We have to wait for it to break beyond 28.74.76 zone. Only and only if gold trades about 28.74.76, we can expect a further rise. As long as it stays below 28.74.76, we should not be treating this as bullish. And in fact, if it stays beyond 28.76, I will wait for it to break beyond 28.80.82 in order to confirm further bullishness here. Right now, forming the tail, it is posting a V-shaped recovery, but I will definitely watch out how it behaves there, because hitting a V-shaped recovery, a possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge, not yet crossed over. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to two, what it did, it has taken a dip towards 20 period, slightly breached 20 period and bouncing back now. And see, this is the second greener candle. It appears to stay in green, but it hardly takes a little data for it to reverse the complete trend. Remember, the only bearishness now is below 28.58.60 zone. Only and only if it trades below this zone, or rather I will say below 28.54, is where you can confirm that more bearishness to prevail here. And then also it has to break below the critical support zone at 28.40 in order to confirm a complete reversal. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with slight bearishness. And remember, even if it tries to converge and post couple of greener candles, the prices will breach past 2890 or 2900 levels. RSI is also looking upwards. Coming to on the 3 hour charts, what has happened? See, just kissing the 20 period moving average, it is trying to bounce back. I will wait for it to break past beyond 28.74.76, which will confirm its next movement. Because see what it is trying to do. Look at the preceding few moves here: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, retracement, retracement. And every time it is retraced, it is followed with a rise to the top here. Now the top is close to 2895, 2900 levels. Let it break beyond the critical resistances and then we can confirm the buy. Else it is still not a buy, it can reverse immediately. The stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over for a sell and it is trading with divergence. It is lot much of a scope on the downside available, as I have shared earlier in the day, that see from these levels MACD always follows with a dip here. And you can check the history for last 1 year. See, plus 20 levels, whenever it is hit, it is always followed with a greater decline. See this, this is the beginning of 2024, and whenever it is hit this zone, it is always followed with a bigger decline. So I am expecting the same today as well, and it is almost on the track here. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4 hour, similar is the observation here on the 4 hour chart. See, trying to trade in this nice bearish flag formation, it has to come out of this flag in order to confirm a breakout, and that means we have to wait for it to break beyond 28.74.76 on the upside. And on the downside also, remember, there is lot much of scope available. See, the 20 period moving average sitting at around 28.44.45 and the support levels at 28.40. Only and only if gold breaches below these two levels, you can say that the bears are back and you can look forward to a greater price correction. The stochastic has taken a dip. MACD has just crossed over and it is crossing over at a slightly higher levels, which means there is a possibility of further red candles from the current levels. RSI near to top. Coming to on the daily charts, see, my only worry point here is, see, it is staying in the bullish channel. It is delivering higher lows, higher highs. Yesterday we have seen it hitting the highs, and today it has already formed the tail here for the day. Now forming the tail means it can form a greener body, and once it breaks out, it can deliver another round of rise, which can in fact take it towards 2900 levels. But right now I'll say you have to exercise a bit of caution here. We can see a bit of swings here. As long as yesterday's highs, or in fact 28.85-90 zone is not taken, we have to be watchful here. In fact, I will say, because see, higher highs here means higher lows also should be there, and today it has respected the lows here for the day. and only if it breaks below 2840, I will treat the bears are back in action, and you can look forward to further price correction. Else it is just trying to retrace, not reverse. The stochastic extremely overbought here. The MACD is trading with extreme divergence, and yes, the MACD is also at a point from where we can see a possible reversal. RSI is also back to overbought zone, and it can post a V-shaped reversal. So now again, as we discussed earlier in the day, first you can sell here at 2864, expected to move towards 2858.60 first target, 2848.50 second target, and if it trades below 2848.50, stay short for 2840.42, and below 2840.42 is where the bears are waiting, and then you can look forward to 2832.34, 2822.24, below which the chances will be high that 2810 and 2800 will be seen very soon. If not today, then possibly tomorrow or next week. Yes, these levels are to be there if it stays below 2840. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry now at 2874.76, beyond which you can expect a rise, and then we may see 2880.82 first target zone, 2888.90 second, and then 2895. A move beyond 28 is a greater sign of greater bullishness. Where it is going to take it, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries, and if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SAFE-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, yes, beyond 2895 is where things are getting critical, because see, it is definitely into overbought zone, and it is going to be very sensitive here at this zone, and thus I will recommend you to exercise a bit of caution there, that because see, the prices might reverse very soon. Tomorrow the NFP data is going to be one such factor which is going to drive the prices crazy, but till then, if it stays beyond 2895, I will expect 2903, 2922.18 levels, which is going to be the next critical milestone which you would like to achieve. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. On the hourly charts, likewise, see, it was trading with bullishness here. It is forming a nice flag here. Nice flag. You can see lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. Thus, it is very important for the silver to trade beyond 3240 levels. Then only you can confirm that the bulls are back. Yes, if it stays above 3240, you can consider that as a reversal, and then you can look forward to a greater round of rise here. Else it is still not yet bullish. Remember, as long as 3240 is not taken, do not treat silver as bullish. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD is trading with bearishness here after the crossover. The RSI has come towards a comfortable zone as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, it is getting a bit of resistance from the 28 period of moving average, and then the median of the Bollinger Bands are going to play a major role. See, now connect the dots and you will find what it is trying to do. It is trying to stay in the zone, and thus, as long as 3240 is not taken, you should not be initiating a buying position. You have to be playing very safe here, though the possibility of a movement towards 3220, 3230 levels exists. But yes, a reversal from these levels can be expected as well. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. Stochastic rising after hitting the bottom here. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bearish. RSI running flat. Coming to similar is the observation on the 3 hour chart. See, price is right now taking support from the 20 period moving average here. And see what has happened in the preceding few candles. Increasing bearishness. Preceding candle is a consolidation candle, and now it has to come out of this consolidation, which means it has to now trade below 3180. Remember, a drop below 3180 should take the prices towards the next support zone at 3160 and 3140. And any drop, any breakout out of below 3140 and 60 zone should lead to a stronger price correction. Just connect this rise, retracement, rise. Where it is going to land? It is going to land towards the zone, towards the bottom, which is right now at around 31 30 levels. 3140 40 is anyways a good support, but 3130 is another support which it would like to achieve, because below that it is going to deliver a massive crash here towards 3060, 3080. But right now the stance is not so aggressively bearish for silver. The stochastic has dropped as well. The MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour charts, you've seen prices kissing towards 20 period moving average and now trying to bounce back. Definitely these levels are going to play a major role here. Yes, these are going to play a major role, but I do see a possible movement once it stays below 3180 towards 3140, 3160 zone, and then in fact breaking below which $31 levels are possible. But right now it is not showing such aggressive bearish momentum here. also notice the preceding candle is a swing candle and the current one is starting with lower highs. Possibly it can deliver lower lows here. Be mindful of this. If you see the stock, I think this is at bottom. The MACD has crossed over at the top. Trading with divergence is staying bearish. RSI is almost flat. Coming to now, see on the daily charts, the day started on a bearish note. What did we discuss? That it is outside Bollinger Bands and it is definitely going to be difficult for silver to stretch this rise. Also, we have noticed that the bullish candles are diminishing in body size, which means diminishing bullishness here. And then today it has delivered lower highs and lower lows already. So it needs to break below 3180 in order to confirm further round of drop, which is definitely going to take it for the low. 3140, 3150 levels are possible, and in fact below that a major price correction can be expected. Look at the rise, then followed with a retracement. Rise, it can follow with a retracement, and see this could be the similarity here. First bearish candle, second one to follow. First bearish candle today and second one tomorrow with the NFP can be there, where the prices can move towards 31. Stochastic at the top here, the MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI top. So looking at this, I'll recommend you to only buy if you see it is staying above 32 40 levels. Ideally that should be a safer buying entry. Those who want to risk a little, you can buy at 3220, 30, but rather I will not recommend you to buy below 3240. Yes, only buy at 3240, expect 3260 levels, and if it stays above 3260, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 3285, 3310, and then higher levels are possible, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3190 levels here. Below 3190, expect 3175, 3160, 3140, and then see 3140, 3130 should be the first support zone. Below this, you can expect a direct lending towards $31 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.